Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your craft skills with Michael's easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by choosing a project that excites you. Visit your local Michael's store or their website for inspiration. Select a few supplies based on your project. Gather essential tools such as scissors, glue, and brushes. Now, prepare your workspace by clearing a flat surface. Organize your supplies for easy access. Begin by reading through the project instructions carefully. If you're following a video tutorial, play it alongside your work. For beginners, start with simple techniques like cutting, pasting, or painting. Experiment with colors and materials to find your style. Try layering different textures for added depth. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they can lead to creative solutions. Take breaks to assess your progress and gather new ideas. Once you've completed your project, evaluate what you learned. Consider documenting your process through photos or notes. Lastly, showcase your finished piece proudly. Revisit Michael's for more supplies and project ideas as you continue your crafting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.